Hello students, good morning. Let's begin with our this part here where we are going to learn one of the important questions from board point of view, the mathematics, 12th maths there. And let's begin. And also for the other competitive exams, for CET also. So see, the question is that tangents are drawn to a point to ellipse 4x square plus 5y square equals 20, having inclination theta 1 and theta 2, such that tan theta 1 plus tan theta 2 equals 2. So find the equation of locus of P. If you observe, we are working with the locus of the P here. Now see, the most important part is that this is based on 11th. The basic concepts of 11th is covered. That is locus. Second is the ellipse. What you have, the board exam, board syllabus is having that in 11th grade. That is covered in this question, 12th grade question. So we are covering both the concepts here from the math. So let's begin. So let's go for a solution here. Now the given equation of ellipse is 4x square plus 5y square equals 20. So x square by 5 plus y square by 4, that is equal to 4. This is what the first will be, and we are adjusting this equation over here. So equation adjusted in this form here, x square by 5 or y square by 4, that is this equation adjusted in form of equation of ellipse. And if you are comparing that with x square plus y square upon a square plus y square upon b square equals 1, if you are comparing with this part, then we will be getting various values. So what are the values that we'll be getting here? Hmm? Okay. So let's see next part goes, if I'm continuing with this part now, see if I am a square. Now in this case we are comparing this with our a square, then a square will be equal to 5 and b square will be equal to 4 here. And if inclinations in this, so a square equals 5, b square equals 4. If you, that is a is root 5, b will be 2. Now let's begin with this. Now these inclination, since inclinations of tangents are theta 1 and theta 2, that is already given in your question, tan theta 1 plus tan theta 2. So we'll be continuing this with m1 equals tan theta 1 and m2 equals tan theta 2. So two slopes we are having, m1 tan theta 1, m2 tan theta 2. Now in this case, now see, now if the next part goes with equation of the tangents to the ellipse. Now what is the equation of tangent to ellipse? Given ellipse having slope mr. This is the equation what we will be using the theoretically concepts for the slope m with the equation of ellipse x square by square plus y square by b square is equal to 1. So what equation we are having? Y is equal to mx plus minus under root a square m square plus b square. Now, what we'll do, we will compare this, we'll substitute the values. We have m1, m2, two slopes are there. Now, I will be comparing and solving in this way. Now, see, the a square value we are already having, b square value we are having, we are substituting those values, 5m square plus 4. So, now just adjustment done, shifting it on left hand side, transpose on left hand side, y minus mx is plus minus 5m square plus 4. Now, since this is a square root, we'll be squaring that on the both sides there. Squaring on both sides, we'll be getting as usual here. So what value? Y square minus 2 mx y plus m square x square is equal to 5m square plus 4. This is what I'm squaring. We are expanding this y minus x square, bracket is expanded. A minus b whole square, a minus b bracket square. The parenthesis square, that is a square minus 2ab plus b square form. Now let's begin further. We are using this concept x square. Now we are adjusting, taking the common here, x square minus 5 minus 2 xym plus y square minus 4. So whole adjusted and factorization, and we will be getting a equation, quadratic equation in m. See, m square, m and y square minus 4. The roots m1 and m2 of the quadratic equation are the slopes of tangent. Very important. The roots of this quadratic equation in m, that is m1 m2, these quadratic equation roots are the slopes of the tangent. This will be your slopes of the tangent. Now let's begin, continue. So sum of slopes, we have formula here, minus of minus 2x square, x square minus 5. So we'll be getting 2xy upon x square minus 5 here. Now given tan of x1 plus tan of x2, that is, this is the given condition in the question. They have given tan x theta 1, sorry, plus tan theta 2 is equal to 2 there. Now, what is next step? We'll be working with sum of slopes. m1 plus m2 equals to 2. So as m1 plus m2 equals to sum of slope, we have formula 2x square upon x square minus 5. So that is equal to 2. And xy is equal to x square minus 5 there. So as a result, we are continuing with that. Xy is equal to x square minus 5. And we'll be finding final equation, locus of the equation, finally using this sum of slopes formula and equating them. We will be getting the required condition is satisfied for the locus, that is xy is equal to x square minus y, x square minus xy minus 5 is equal to 0. which is the required condition equation of locus at point P. Okay, thank you.